This is the rectangular shawl, and I will show you on a small model how I made this one. I used all the leftover yarn I have, different colors. First I did on the lengthwise 220 chains here, but I will show you on just small number of chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we use one chain extra, and the row 1 is all double crochet. So one more chain because we are doing double crochet, and this one, and in the third stitch start doing the double crochet. Yes, you can see here. And this is your first double crochet. Again double crochet in every chain. So I just show you 2-3 chains here. How are we doing? Row number 1 is finished. Double crochet all the way. Now turn your work, and now you have to put the another color. Put the next color here and start your next color. So next row, two chains, one chain, and then we leave this color and we will use the red color. Second chain, and this one now you can make a knot here with this yarn, and if you want to cut you can cut, and if you want to keep it you can keep it like that. And this one just one knot is made. And now we will start second row of this pattern. The second row is this one here. Okay, I just want to cut this yarn. If you want to keep it you can keep it, but it's okay. Now 2 single crochet and one more single crochet chain, 2 chains and 3 chains, and skip one and double crochet in the next chain. So this one is one box is made, one chain, double crochet, skip one chain, and in the next chain is double crochet again one chain, skip one chain, and double crochet in the next chain. Again one chain, skip one chain, and in the next double crochet in the last chain. So this is the pattern we make first, and I use 220 chains lengthwise and one near about 180 centimeters in length. And now the first, second and third row, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 chains, and double crochet in this one. We no need to count here. Again 1 chain, double crochet, again 1 chain, double crochet, and again 1 chain, the last one. So there is a double crochet in the last. So two rows are done. If you want to do the same color, you can do the same color. If you don't want to do the same color, then you can change another color. I'm using this same one again. Third row, use the color here. Three chains. And now we will not using the red color, we are using the cream color. Now double crochet in the fourth row, doing again double crochet here, again one chain, double crochet in the next chain, again chain, double crochet in the next chain, and chain and double crochet in the next chain. So these are 3 boxes like done, 1, 2 and 3. After 5 boxes, the same as row number 1. So I show you how we going to, after 3 boxes, how we go to row number 1. Row number 1, 1, 2, 3 chains, and we have to do 1 double crochet in here, 1 double crochet in here, again double crochet in here. So we keep going up to the end like that. This one is done, and I show you how this one I make a knot here, all the 3 yarns going in here and make a knot so that it will not open. So this is done, and see, this one is done. And now how we do the pattern I show you now. You can use any color yarn, and you will take the length, measure this length and use for the tassels. And I use 3 3 strands of yarn like that. Three strands of yarn done here. Cut and then make a knot at the beginning, and you can use maybe hook, but I just use with the hand. Put this one through here, one going down and one going up, so we will use like that. And this one is done. The first row is done like that, and you can keep some for the tassels like that. And here you can go through again and make a knot. Go through the hole and make a knot for the tassels. So this one is look like that. And in the next one I show you how we go in the next one. In the next one 3 yarns again, but this one is down here, down the yarn, under the yarn, but next time we will put up the yarn. Have a look. Make a knot in the beginning, 3 yarns, make a knot, and with this knot you can use these ones. Now this one yarn is on the top. Now we will keep the yarn on the bottom, so we will put the yarn like that. Leave the first one, put the yarn like that and bring it up, and you can start like that, and after one down and one up. So this makes the pattern, and you will see this one will do like that. And in the next one we use the same as the first row. So this is all the pattern, and this shawl I made all from the leftover yarn. Looks very beautiful, and this one looks both sides same, and you can use how much white you need, but this one I just made this much to make as a neck warmer or just a head scarf. So thanks for watching.